Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming owners, scope, and retention so decisions are enforceable. Next, create the top-level site and associate it with a hub to inherit navigation and branding. Once done, add primary document libraries and define content types and metadata columns that reflect business needs. Make sure to assign owner and contributor groups with least privilege. These initial steps lock in governance and let you build predictable structure without rework. They save time and prevent chaos as you expand. Now focus on metadata and discoverability so you can scale. Create reusable site columns and a term store taxonomy that maps to business concepts. This enables filtered views and automation. Once taxonomy exists, refactor libraries into a flatter layout and replace deep folders with metadata-driven views. Make sure to configure default document templates, retention labels, and hub navigation with audience targeting so users find content faster. You'll reduce duplication and make permissions simpler to manage across sites and libraries. Finish by automating recurring actions and locking down lifecycle processes. You should create Power Automate flows for approvals and archive routines, enable auditing, and apply retention labels consistently. Once done, run a targeted training for owners that covers governance, review cadence, and how to use metadata and views. If something goes wrong, especially search or missing files, rebuild the search index, verify managed properties and crawled mappings, and validate effective permissions. That single troubleshooting step resolves most discovery problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.